Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login8, and in today's video I'm gonna guide you through how to verify your age and enable chat on Roblox. So first of all, launch Roblox app on your mobile devices. Make sure that you are logged on to your account. Then go ahead and tap on More at the bottom right. Once you come over here, scroll down below and tap on Settings. Now on top, go ahead and tap on Account Info. Once you come over here, if you have already verified your age, then you will be able to enable chat on Roblox. If not, you can tap on Continue with ID or tap on Reset in order to re-verify your age again. So let's tap on Continue with ID for now. Now, in order to verify your age, you'll need a government ID. Now, birthday verification unlocks more features on Roblox as well. Then tap on Continue. Now, choose the country from where your government ID is from. Then tap on Continue. Now over here, choose any of these options here, according to your preferences. I'm going to choose driver's license. Now all you would have to do is you would have to upload the picture of the front part of your driver's license or any other government ID you have. Then tap on Continue. Now over here, simply take the picture of your government ID and you can upload it to Roblox. So this is one of the steps that will help you verify your age on Roblox. Now if we go back, now you can also tap on Continue with Camera. Now over here, make sure you go through all these details in order to know how to use the camera to do an age check. Then tap on Continue. Now make sure you follow all these instructions and take pictures according to the instructions on Roblox for your face angles to verify your age. Once you do so and your age is verified, then you will be able to enable chat on Roblox. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.